Hey everyone! Today we're going to go over how to use Piskel. This is a pixel art tool that you can run right in your browser to create custom assets for the candy game. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take the images provided for you as game assets and download them. Then you can use the import button in Piskel app to bring the asset in and use it as a template. Using the import option is nice because it will resize the canvas to match the template image. So even if you end up not using the sample image at all, you'll still have the exact same size asset when you're all done. So once your image is on the canvas, you'll find the color palette on the right-hand side of the screen. You can use this to create a brand new palette and choose as many colors as you want and save that palette as you work. Now for the basic drawing tools in Piskel. You'll find these on the left-hand side. Up top, you have the basic brush tool with 4 different brush sizes to choose from. With your custom colors, you can use either that brush tool or a paint bucket to swap out colors in your image, or just to add your own details. You also have an eraser tool on the left-hand side, which works in the same 4 sizes as the brush tool. I'd also recommend, though, checking out the lasso selection tool and the rectangular selection tool next to it. The lasso tool lets you select irregular shapes by drawing around them, while the rectangle tool lets you select perfect rectangles or squares. And then after highlighting an area, you can hit backspace or delete on your keyboard to remove that section. To copy a section, you can highlight an area, press Ctrl-C on your keyboard, then click and drag that copied area to a new spot, then press Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste. You can also bring in copyright-free imagery from the web and drag and drop it into your canvas. Doing this, though, might require you to resize the image to match the template size. From there, you can customize the image however you want. And if you're working with images that have multiple frames, like the sprite or the goober, it might help to add a kind of temporary boundary or border for yourself around each of the frames. That way you can keep it the same size as the original. Just don't forget to erase each of those borders before exporting the image. When you're finished, you should first save the asset and name it, as I'm doing on the screen. This is so you can easily identify it later if you want. Then, go to the right-hand side of the screen and click the Export button. Choose the PNG option and go to the bottom and select the option for single frame export. Now you're ready to submit your game asset.